care of the cord, assemble all equipment needed to save time, energy, and effort. Drop refined alcohol to the baby's umbilicus to soften the dried blood can easily remove discharges. Soak the cotton pledget or cotton buds with refined alcohol. Clean the umbilicus with cotton pledget or cotton buds to remove debris. Clean the umbilicus in circular motion from inner to outer portion of the cord. Repeat procedure until the cord is thoroughly clean. To prevent infection. And drop refined alcohol to the umbilicus by avoiding dripping of solution. Drop refined alcohol to the umbilicus by avoiding dripping of solution to the genitalia or circumcision area to create discomfort for the baby. And dry the cord by open dressing. Facilitate drying and healing of cord. And then remove the cord clamp after 48 hours.